My name is Magnus Wikström. I'm the Sawmill Manager here at Bollsta Sawmill. I've been working here in Bollsta since 2020, but I've been working within SCA from 2002. So I've been within different positions in the company, from the forestry side, working with logistics. But when this project started, I've got the opportunity and honor to join here in Bollsta and be a part of this fantastic project. Teamwork and the ambition have been in a very good way. We have always have a focus to solve things together, so I think it has been really good. We don't often do this kind of investment. This is a huge investment for us here within SCA Wood, and to be a part of that already from the beginning is fantastic. Chance to learn and also to be here to develop this site in Bollsta.